Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Guys, anybody who went to Flibs looking for a 326 Grady-White, this is a 2022 Celestial Blue, only 9 hours on twin 300 Yamahas with a brand new EX Hellmaster system. Let's step aboard and see what we got. All right guys, as we're aboard this 326 Canyon, as you can see, again, it's got the 300s with the brand new cowlings. You can see the great thing about the 326 is the swim platforms, easy access inside and outside the boat. Those days you guys are at the islands, hanging out with family, you're gonna love it. Huge fish box, transom seating. You do have a live well port side. If we move forward to the leaning post, you got a freshwater sink, plenty of tackle storage, huge live well here as well. Rocket launchers throughout. Moving to the helm, here's your Hellmaster joystick steering. You do have your digital throttle system. It's got fish point, stay point. Those days that are busy, snapper season, you guys are at the dock, just hit the stay point and the boat's gonna keep you there and you're not gonna have to worry about maneuvering. So as we look at the helm, you do have twin 216 Garmins. With the new Hellmaster, you're not gonna have to worry about autopilot. It's already integrated. You do have a nice PDF box for storage for life jackets. Let's move forward. I want to show you what the head looks like. You got plenty of space. All right guys, so now that we're in the head, as you can see, I'm 6 foot tall. You got about 6'1" in clearance. Nice teak throughout. You got plenty of storage going forward. It does have a freshwater sink with a shower. And then you got an overboard discharge, electric marine head, plenty of rod holders. So you got 4 rod holders inside, that's lockable, vanity mirror. Let's step ahead and look at the bow. So guys, as you can see here, it's a beautiful day at MarineMax. This boat has got forward seating. You got your forward bow filler cushion, nice speakers, windlass anchor. If you look in front of the helm, you can fit at least 3 people here. Got cup holders. This does come with an enclosed windshield with a windshield wiper, and not to mention it's color matched underneath the hardtop to the hull. This boat does come with outriggers and many other options. Call Braden 727-744-7304. Again, if you guys were at Flibs looking for a 326, save a lot of money on this boat, come see me.